Now let us refer to the question number 9. It is given that the fourth term in the expansion of square root of 1 by x to the power 1 plus log x plus 12th root of x to the whole power 6 is equal to 200, where the value of x is going to be greater than 1. That is absolutely positive. We have to find the value of x, in which now let us reduce the given expression into some simpler form and try to bring the fourth term. So the given expression, it can be expanded or reduced into 1 by being square root, I can take power of, it will be reduced into x power 2 times of 1 plus log x plus being 12th root, it has to be written as x power 1 by 12 to the whole power 6. Then in which on expanding this we have to find the fourth term, that is term 4 is equal to, we compare term of t of 3 plus 1, that is equal to, I can write n is going to be 6. On expanding this will be 63 of, if I write x power, that is x power 3 by 2 into 1 plus log x into x power 12 and 1/4 is 1 by 1/3 is, I'm sorry, 1/3 is 1 by 4. This is going to be 200. Now it is given that the value of 63. And expanding 63, it will be 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 of, if I write x power 3 by 2 into 1 plus log x into x power 1 by 4, or I can write this merely the power, I can add it up as 1 by 4. A power m plus n will be a power m into a power n, that is equal to 200 will be there. If I reduce 3 2s are 6, 4 5s are 20 is 1 time, 200 is 10 time. So this terms clearly we can say for the value of x to the rising to the power 10, that is equal to 10, which satisfies the given equation, the value of x is going to be 10 over there. So out of the 4 choices given, the correct choice is 2.